Amazon SEO and ranking your product on that first page of Amazon. Amazon SEO is so important when selling on Amazon, especially when you took your time to find that right product to start selling on Amazon. You did all of the work, you find that right product that has a low competition, high search volume field, you've sourced it from China to Amazon's warehouse, and now you're stuck trying to rank it to that first page of Amazon. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I was able to scale all my Amazon products to that first page of Amazon and how you can do the exact same thing. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So Amazon SEO and exactly how it works. So getting on that first page of Amazon, how are you going to do it? So how Amazon ranking works, it doesn't work on reviews that people think of. It does not work on that. It does not work on the age of the listing, nothing like that. What it revolves around is sales, sale velocity. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how much sales you need to get on that first page of Amazon and do Amazon SEO. And this is how Amazon works. This is how their algorithm works and exactly how you can rank on that first page. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the tools that I personally use when selling on Amazon. So we have here Helium 10, and I really recommend you to get Helium 10 if you're new to selling on Amazon. This tool allows you to scale your business and give you that product research that you're looking for in order to grow it. So we have here, as of yesterday, I've done around 2,000 in profit. A little bit more, 2,600, but I usually average around 2,000 profit a day, 12,000 for the week, and for the year of last year, I hit over $1 million in sales for the first time. This is crazy because last year was what? This is 400,000 more than last year. Every year it's been growing 50 to 100%. And I teach you guys how to do everything I do on my YouTube channel. So all this information is always free. But the most important thing is ranking on that first page of Amazon. So if you're new to Helium 10 and you don't have this platform yet, use the link down below in the description or in the pinned comments I'm going to have. It's going to have a discount code for you guys. And this is a tool you're kind of going to need for Amazon SEO because it tells you how much sales you're going to need to get on that first page of Amazon. And then after you find out how much sales you're going to need, then you're going to do a couple of methods of how we're going to get ranked on that first page. So make sure to hit that discount code, and I'm going to show you guys an example of how many sales you need to do to get on that first page. So for this example, we have here Lash Glue. Lash Glue is something that I would prefer to start selling on Amazon because it falls under all the categories that I like when selling on Amazon. It has a low competition, high search volume field. The profit margin is over 35%. I mentioned this in all my videos. You want to make sure you have a high profit margin. That way you're able to grow your business year by year, and that it's small and light, so shipping cost is cheap. So this product falls under all these categories. It's a small product. You can probably get this product for around $2. So you can see the monthly sales they do is 8,000 units. But what we're going to do for this example is get the ASIN. The ASIN is the identity of all of the listings. You can just find it down here. We're going to put control, and then we're going to go back to Helium 10. So what we're going to do is go to tools, and we're going to click Cerebro. And let's say we have this exact product. Let's say we're selling lash extension glue, and we're trying to rank up for that keyword lash extension glue. How many sales do we need to get even on the first page of Amazon? I'm gonna show you guys a really cool tool, and this tool really helped me grow my business. If I never had all the data and insight of this whole, there are other tools. There's Jungle Scout and Helium 10, but Helium 10 is the only platform that has this cool tool I'm gonna show you guys. So we're gonna run a search here, and after it's done, we're gonna look for lash extension glue. So I'm gonna put, let's say we're trying to rank up lash extension glue. That's the keyword that we wanna get on that first page for. We're gonna go by high searches right here. Let's say we're trying to rank up for lash extension glue. This one gets 22,000 searches, and I believe that's every month. Oh no, that's every day. So on average, this gets 22,000 searches a day. That's a crazy amount. So how many sales do we need to do lash extension glue? So they have a tool here called CPR, and you see here, this is the amount of sales you need to do, and on average for the next 8 days to rank on that first page of Amazon. So how many sales do you need to do? 53 sales on lash extension glue to get ranked on that first page of Amazon. That's not that bad for what they're making. So 53 sales is nothing compared to how much profit they're making every day. Let's go back to that listing, right? And let's use this Helium 10 plugin that you could also download onto your browser as well. You're gonna click X right here, and you're gonna see how much sales they do every month. So every month they're making 8,000 in sales and 170,000 in revenue just off this product alone. This company makes probably over $1 million in profit every year, and you can see how much sales they're doing constantly. And this is just one product they have. You can go here to their storefront and see all of their products that they're making a ton of money on. So to get on that first page, for example, you need to do 53 units. So what a strategy I like to do, especially when selling on Amazon, let's say we want to get ranked on that first page. We have our product and we really want to get it on that first page, and we think our product is a lot better, it's priced better, it includes maybe some brushes or anything that gives value to the customer. So one thing you can do to rank on that first page for lash extension glue that I would really recommend you to do is do Amazon PPC, which is Amazon advertising, and you can do manual keywords and really get aggressive, really aggressive, and spend a ton of money, maybe $50, $100 for that exact keyword to rank it. And that's going to give you those sales that you're looking for, 50 sales. You can even get 100 sales, and do that for that 8-day span. I guarantee you that's going to give you strength on that keyword, and you're going to see your product on that first page of Amazon just by doing that. Product launching is so important when selling a product on Amazon. You really want to put effort into getting it on that first page of Amazon. This is product launching. There are a little bit more methods to this. What I really recommend you to do is go really aggressive on those Amazon PPC ads and do that exact keyword to rank it to that first page of Amazon. You can also do promo codes and give it out to influencers as well, and just grow the brand from there. But a really easy one is manual keywords. Another way you can do really good ranking for that exact keyword, let's say we're trying to rank for lash extension glue. You can see here that our competition isn't doing it, but for every listing, you want to put the main keywords that have the most strength in the front, and then something else later on. So for this product here, I would take Extra Strong Revolution off. I would put lash extension glue in the front. That's going to give it more strength. And then you would probably put extra strong after it. And then you can put more details that help the product out. So like we would put, for example, lash extension glue, extra strong for lash extensions, and it would just help out. So the beginning words are gives it the most strength in the listing, and then from there you can use other keywords. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions about Amazon SEO and ranking that product to that first page of Amazon, leave them in the comments down below. I'll answer them, or feel free to reach out to me on Instagram and I'll help you guys as much as possible. Also, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.